Hello, my name is Jordan and I am here at the Boonshoft Museum of Discovery in our science theater where we get to do a lot of fun science. Today I am talking about water filtration and why it's important for us to have clean water to either drink or to use around our house. Now our planet is composed of a lot of water, but most of it is salt, and of all the water on our planet, only about 3% is drinkable fresh water that we can use on a daily basis. Now the importance of that water is really important. We want to make sure that it's clean and it's usable to drink and it doesn't have anything in it that we wouldn't want. So for example, it could be chemicals from runoff or pollution, or it could be as simple as just sticks, leaves, rocks, minerals that have floated in from a freshwater source like a river or a lake or something that's gotten into an aquifer beneath our feet. Today I'm going to be doing a simple activity demonstrating how you all can explore how a filter works to help remove those extra particulates from our drinking water, and I've got a couple of materials that you can use from around your house to demonstrate this. Alright, so here on my workbench I've got a couple of materials that we can use to build our own water filter here at home. Now the first thing we're going to want to do is to have some polluted water. Again, that can be either chemicals or just solid particulates floating through a river or into a pond. And for my examples today, I am going to be using a little bit of baking soda, some vegetable oil, and some plastic beads to represent some large things floating through that you wouldn't want in your drinking water. So I'm just going to take those and add them into my dirty water. So right away we can see it's gotten very cloudy. Add a little bit of vegetable oil. And then adding in some plastic beads. So this is going to be my dirty water that I would want to filter out and try to clean up before it's ready to use by the public. Now over here, I've got a couple of materials that you can grab from around the house as well, like I did for my dirty water. I've got a nice little glass container, but you can use any plastic cup. This is going to be where you're going to collect all the water we run through our filter. I've got a plastic funnel. I have some coffee filters that I can use, cotton balls. We got some activated charcoal, some sand, and some large rocks. Now when we're working with a filter, any of these materials can help clean out different parts of my dirty water. So I kind of have to pick and choose what I think will work best. So now what we have is our example filter that we would like to use. Now again, you can use a lot of different kinds of materials. This is what I had on hand. And we're going to see how well it performs by going through our dirty water. Again, our filter is meant to allow water to pass through and hopefully pick up some of the extra things I've left behind. And we'll see how this does. Let's pour it in. And go some of the plastic beads. You can see how it kind of took a little while to slowly filter in. I'm just going to fill it up until my filter can't really hold anymore. And there we go. I think I got just a little bit of water still trickling in, but you can see how up here in my filter I basically have like a strainer that I might use when making pasta. The water has been allowed to pass through, but we've caught and picked up some of the other things in the filter. So that when we look at our water down here, there's no plastic beads floating around. I can't quite see if there's any oil, but it doesn't look super cloudy and messy like it did at the beginning. But that's the fun part with filters. Once you've done one pass through, try making another filter to see if you can clean it up even more the second time through. Try different materials to see what works best.